Hi, I'm Shika, and I create done-for-you coaching tools, coaching workshops, and coaching workbooks using my counseling experience. So this is the done-for-you sales copywriting page for my done-for-you Master Your Morning Routine workshop. So you can purchase both the done-for-you workshop and the sales page for it in the from the links in the description box. So let's take a look at the sales page right now. You can use this on the landing page of the workshop if you're selling the masterclass to your followers or clients. It's 8 pages in length. So I hope this helps you with your coaching business, and see you and thank you.